Future-proof strategies for the digital nomad turnkey. Secrets to 300 plus, daily automated income revealed. Imagine waking up every morning to an extra $300 in your account. Sounds like a dream? With Genesis Nomad, that dream is a reality. Discover the untapped digital strategies that the 6 and 7 figure income earners are using. Harness the power to generate automated income. Daily beginner friendly. No prior experience, no problem. Tailored for all skill levels. Comprehensive strategy. Covers branding, crypto, AI, and beyond. Automated income. Blueprint. Strategies for daily earnings of 300 plus. Web3, crypto mastery. Unlock the future of digital with AI and crypto. Printable guides. Detailed hands-on resources for every module. Exclusive loopholes. Get insider secrets not available elsewhere. Perfect for digital nomads. Craft a life of freedom and adventure. Unlock the secrets to a thriving digital future. Introducing Genesis Nomad. Dear Digital Explorer, have you ever dreamed of a life where your laptop or smartphone is your office, the world is your playground, and financial freedom is not just a dream but a tangible reality? What if I told you that such a life isn't reserved for the elite few, but is attainable for anyone armed with the right knowledge? Here's the truth. In the rapidly evolving digital landscape, the rules of the game are constantly changing, but those who master them aren't just surviving, they're thriving. And the most exciting part? Many of these success stories are beginners just like you. The ultimate game changer is here. Genesis Nomad, future-proof strategies for the digital nomad. Why Genesis Nomad? Brand building brilliance. Unearth the transformative power of your brand. Dive deep into how a well-crafted brand isn't just a logo or a blog post, but a gateway to a world of opportunities. Automation and AI, using AI to automate everything. 2023 is an amazing time to be alive. You will learn how to use these methods with automated income sources. Blockchain breakdown. Enter the universe of blockchain and cryptocurrency. From making sense of cryptocurrency investing to understanding the world of Web3. Beginners are breaking barriers. They all started with Genesis Nomad. Their secret isn't years of expertise, it's having the right guidance. Click link in description to get early access.